In this video, we're going to learn how to cook pork belly like a boss. All right, the first thing we want to do is make sure that our pork belly is nice and dry. Then what we're going to do is we're going to lightly score the top layer of fat. It's important that we get through the fat and we're going to score lines about 1/4 inch apart. You want to make sure that you don't get into the meat though. Just enough to score the top of the fat. Then we're going to add salt, pepper, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And get that rubbed in nice. And then this is going to go into the refrigerator outside, our outside refrigerator, for about 3 or 4 hours. Okay, so after 3.5 hours, I took the pork belly out and put it into my oven to slow roast at about 350 degrees. And it depends on the size of the pork belly. It's going to be 2.5 to maybe 3 hours. Okay, that's been 2.5 hours. Now let's see how it came out, shall we? Oh yeah, baby. The meat is tender, flavorful, and it presents real well. I'll show you at the end how we ended up presenting it today. It's a privilege for me to be able to share one of my passions with you. If you found value, shoot me a like, and thanks for watching.